Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Spritz Finance. You can actually pay yourself with crypto, and you can pay anyone with crypto as spirits. It makes it easy to use your crypto in the real world, whether it's paying bills, like I said, yourself or others. You can sign up and get started today. I'll have links down in the description below that'll help you get started and really find out what Spritz Finance is all about. So the first thing I want to do is scroll through the kind of midsection of the page. You're going to see more about integration on your behalf and off-chain finances seamlessly. So earn your way, pay your way. Connect your crypto wallet with in real life bills seamlessly. You can also be your own bank. So program payments instantly without unwinding positions or off-ramping to a bank, which is going to help you quite a bit when it comes to fees and so much more. Off-ramp in one step, so move away from multiple swaps and steps, save on fees and time. So there's that fees, and of course time is a big one as well. So I want to make sure you guys are taking advantage of some of the different crypto kind of utility services or utility programs or platforms out there, and Spritz Finance is definitely one of them. We have more to talk about though when it comes to Spritz Finance. We have the connect to the real world. So you can actually unlock real world financial utility from your crypto and on-chain earnings. You can spend your crypto anywhere, so load your Spritz card with crypto and use it to pay for anything in the real world. And then we also have keep your funds safe. So rest easy knowing that Spritz is dedicated to implementing the best in Web3 security. I will say before we get too much farther into today's video, remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before getting involved with any crypto platform or asset. I want to go down a little bit more though and talk about which type of bills you can pay with crypto-wise. So credit cards, you have so many, thousands of TradeFi accounts. You can pay any bill under the sun. You have mortgage and rent, utilities and services, student loans, car payments, and so much more. Whether it's Netflix, Spotify, HBO Max, Disney Plus, you can do all of this paying your bills with Spritz.finance. So if we go down a little bit more, it does talk about how you can make crypto payments a breeze. You just create your account through Spritz and you really instantly be able to add your bills or bank accounts. And you can see here in this little image how easy it is to actually add that specifically. You have credit cards, card payments, mortgage really, and student loans, and so much more. So again, bills very, very easily paid through Spritz, and that's something that a lot of people are starting to utilize when you're heavy into the crypto space. Next up, you can connect your wallet, so link preferred crypto wallets such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Ledger, as well as others. So they have the big main three there, as well as others, so it's great to see Spritz taking advantage of really the entire crypto space there and utilizing all of the crypto wallets. And easy enough to make direct wallet pay and make a payment. Plus, you get $10 on us toward your first bill pay. So if you pay your first bill, you'll get an extra $10 on Spritz. What's not to love about this platform so far? I want to talk a little bit more about what you can do with Spritz as well. When it comes to Spritz, they have flexibility to program payments from any wallet and on-chain asset. You can also keep your crypto working for you until you want to spend it, as well as full transparency and data privacy. With a bank, you have a waste time converting and transferring crypto into fiat. We've all done this. Takes a lot of time, takes a lot of fees, and you can finally, move your crypto to fiat if needed, or fiat to crypto. Also, little or no earning opportunities from your checking account. This is also something that we've seen a lot recently, is insanely low interest rate on checking accounts, if any at all. So it's great to see, the really positives of Spritz in that regard. We also have your data is controlled and sold by banks. So that's definitely something that we've been talking about here on the channel as well. Another great reason why crypto has done so well and how really so many people have been excited about this kind of seamless really advancement that we've seen in the last 5 years. So Spritz offers endless ways to program your payments. You can actually do it with Matic, DAI, Link, Mana, Aave, GRT, Curve, TWT, and so many more. So it's great to see how easy it is to actually program these payments with any different crypto utility token or really token in general. So they are also backed by a team of leading Web3 investors. You can see that there are a lot of great Web3 investors, and they're backed by a team that actually has a great background. And I will say, if you guys want to look more into this, definitely do so. You always want to make sure a platform, project, or an asset has a great team behind it. So make sure to check in on this, as it looks really, really solid at the moment. You can also join them, like I said, on Discord or Reddit down in the links below. in the description of today's video. I will have those links out there and available to you guys. A lot of great stuff to learn through the community and through this project. So definitely take a look. A cool thing as well to see here is the DeFi earners. So yield farming, staking, lending, and more. NFT creators and traders, play to earn gamers, as well as the Web3 trailblazers. So builders and founders, DAO members, and of course, service providers. All of this being a part of what makes really Spritz.finance great. And I will say, if we go to the Twitter, as it loads here, takes just a second to load in. As we go into the Twitter, though, I do want to say, if you guys aren't following them on Twitter, definitely do so. A lot of great stuff being posted there every single day. If we can get it to load. I don't know if Twitter's having a problem or it's my internet, but give me 1 second here. Come on. Either way, we'll go back and we will see, like I said before, Discord and Reddit as well as available. Okay, so now we're at Spritz Finance. Their Twitter finally loaded up for us. Make sure to follow them on Twitter so you can stay up to date, like I said, with everything Spritz Finance. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see just an hour ago, it's finally Friday, and we've got something special for you. So they had a review just recently by my trainer Brand 1, and there's been a lot of great people talking about Spritz Finance recently, and it makes me excited to see what path this may lead it on. I will say, guys, a lot of people excited, and if you are interested, best ways to stay up to date on pretty much anything crypto related is through social media. So let's also take a look at the affiliate program, because there is an affiliate program that a lot of people are starting to take advantage of as well. So calling all Web3 content creators and communities, showcase Spritz and grow your brand. So all you have to do is recommend Spritz, and you can earn big with becoming a partner, promoting Spritz, and getting paid and earning commissions. You can sit back, relax, and let the earnings flow. And it's great to see that this is something that a lot of people is really kind of pushing a lot of different people through content creation and through the media when it comes with partners. It's great to see some big guys come out and start promoting a project that does such a great thing for crypto users. We can also see here, partner with a Web3 innovator, exclusive access to our team, flexible payouts, and track earnings in real time. It's a very, very good idea to take a look, like I said, today at Spritz. But if you are interested or have any questions, you can definitely let me know in the comments below. But it's also been featured in a lot of different places like Circle, Polygon Daily, The Daily Hold, Crypto News, Investing.com, as well as so many more. So it's great to see Spritz Finance continuing to grow, and I would love to see what you guys think about it. So let me know down in the comments, like I said, and I'll see you all in the next one.